Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change or replace email address in Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on the settings icon to the right hand corner and tap on email and cut your email address from this option and enter here your new email address and tap on save. And now enter here your Snapchat account password and tap on continue. Tap on save. So now here you will get a verification code to your email address. So all you have to need, just open your Gmail app and open the verification mail, and you'll need to tap on verify email, then your email will be verified. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.